5-ingredient feasts, simple and satisfying recipes. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. With just 5 ingredients, you can whip up something delicious and satisfying. Here are 5 recipes that demonstrate the power of simplicity in the kitchen. All of these recipes take 5 or fewer ingredients, not including kitchen basics like olive oil, salt, and pepper. Lemon garlic shrimp pasta. This pasta dish blends the bright flavors of lemon with shrimp for a quick and tasty meal. Ingredients: 12 ounces pasta, 14 ounces shrimp, peeled and deveined, 4 cloves garlic, chopped, 2 lemons, zested and juiced, olive oil, chopped parsley. Instructions: boil pasta until al dente, reserving 1/2 cup pasta water. In a pan, heat olive oil and sauté garlic until fragrant. Add shrimp and cook until pink. Stir in lemon zest and juice. Toss in pasta, adding reserved pasta water. Serve, topped with chopped parsley. Tomato basil soup. This soup combines the classic flavors of tomato and basil with a creamy finish. Ingredients: 28 ounces canned whole tomatoes, 1 onion chopped, olive oil, 1 cup vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons fresh basil leaves, chopped, 1/2 cup heavy cream. Instructions: cook onion in olive oil until soft. Add tomatoes and broth, bring to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. Blend until smooth. Return soup to pot, add cream and basil leaves. Garnish with more basil and serve. Balsamic glazed chicken thighs. This dish features a perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Ingredients: 4 bone-in chicken thighs, 4 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, salt and pepper, olive oil. Instructions: season chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Combine balsamic vinegar and honey. Heat olive oil in a pan, brown the chicken, then add the balsamic honey mixture. Simmer over low heat until the sauce reduces and thickens and the chicken is cooked through about 20 minutes. Enjoy! Honey mustard salmon. This salmon dish is enhanced with a simple yet flavorful honey mustard glaze. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, 3 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons whole grain mustard, olive oil, salt and pepper. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Mix honey and mustard. Season salmon, place on a tray, and cover with honey mustard. Bake until cooked through, about 10 minutes per inch thick. Enjoy! Garlic butter steak bites. These steak bites offer a quick, garlic butter-infused option for a satisfying meal. Ingredients: 20 ounces sirloin steak, cut into cubes, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 3 tablespoons butter, salt and pepper, parsley chopped. Instructions: season steak cubes with salt and pepper. In a pan, melt butter and cook garlic until fragrant. Add steak and cook to preferred doneness. Sprinkle with parsley and serve. Each of these recipes demonstrates how a few quality ingredients can come together to create dishes that are both easy to make and delightful to eat, proving that simplicity often leads to the best flavors. Thanks for joining us. Please leave a comment about your favorite simple recipes and subscribe to our channel to keep receiving great cooking tips and tricks.